This is how you replace the 2018 Nissan Rogue engine air filter. Press the clip right here, release it. The two clips like that. Then you have one clip over here, release this. Another one over here. Then you pinch this tab right here. Lift it all the way out like this. And there's the filter, very dirty. Take the old filter out. Look how dirty this stuff is. Very dirty. So I got here the from filter. This one here lasts up to 40,000 miles. Replace and see what happens. No need to go to the car dealer to pay expensive filter replacement. You can just do it yourself. This is the new filter right here. See? Old filter, new filter. They look the same. I'm happy with this. Installing the new filter. Make sure it sits tight in here. And put this back together right here. Attach the clip. Clip right there. Another clip over here. Okay, sealed. Sealed tight.